You crazy.
Yeah. I ain't tripping already. Lil You my Lil Ratchet, my Lil Savage. You my Lil Savage, my Lil Ratchet. My Lil Ratchet, my Lil Savage. You my Lil Savage, my Lil Ratchet. I call a bitch to pick it thing. All the bitch trippin' that way. You hit me up like bitch, she bitchin'. Bring me that thug that she missing. Lil' mama, what poppin' you should come fuck a thug. Let me put you on some other type of shit. You know what's up. She hit the fan, you already down. Down and out, you make me smile. Scoop me up, blow to the clouds. Talk shit and fuck around. Lil' mama, what poppin' you should come fuck a thug. Let me put you on some other type of shit. You know what's up. You my Ratchet bitch. Tell when we fucking get sucked like that, it's 7 D. That petty shit, man, ain't nothing. We on some other shit. Hit the mall, I ain't bitchin' about tricking my money. Cause every time I call, my Ratchet keep it 100. You got a man, I got a woman. I ain't saying I love you, but you different from these hoes. You a whole nother woman, but you know just what to say and how to treat a thug. So when I wanna get away, you know I'm coming to see the good. You my ride or die, Bunny and Clyde, you my Lil Savage. No lie, I'ma keep it fly. We up on another planet. Think I'm gonna tell my other bitch shit. Just nothing shit, cause can't nobody treat me like my Lil Ratchet. I got a bitch who pick it things. All the bitch trippin' that way. You hit me up like bitch, she bitchin'. Bring me that thug that she missin'. Lil' mama, what poppin' you should come fuck a thug. Let me put you on some other type of shit. You know what's up. She hit the fan, you always down. Down and out, you make me smile. Scoop me up, blow to the clouds. Talk shit and fuck around. Lil' mama, what poppin' you should come fuck a thug. Let me put you on some other type of shit. You know what's up.
See my Lil Ratchet, my Lil Savage be my right hand man. From these niggas up to these hoes, she be like fuck what they sayin'. She Friday, I'm here for you till the day that I go. She speak her mind, she speak her heart. That's why I fuck with this hoe. Plus she know I be trickin' off. She be like fair little fool. Plus I heard she like the flu, so she might join in too. Plus I taught her the things she know, especially how to bust her feel. So when I ride to get my shit, keep my black Nina in my bitch. And she know my stance shit. She keep her hands straight up out it. And when I tell her I'm on a miss, she keep her nose straight up out it. Plus me and Zone was on the run, she ducked us off in the crib. I fuck with her the long way, she my Lil Savage for real. Missing hoes all in the ear, but she don't pay no attention. She say Furley keep shining on them, watch us catch more attention. She don't trip on the nigga, wanna call her bitches and hoes, but she be feeling real play, she my little bitch on the low. She hold me down and squeeze me tight, when I holler I'm gone. So when I fall off in that pussy, she be hollering for more. I bust nuts all in the throat, that's how my gutter bitch roll. Couple of my niggas know I love her.